man. The snow was pretty crazy last night. Those might be a little hard to get out of the backyard now. What's that? 8, 9 inches, something like that. I mean, those wheels are 19-inch wheels, with at least 2 inches of tire. Well, it's sunken on this side, not sunken in the front. Yeah, let's just call it 8 inches, just to go with. But let's try out the front side, see what's going on over there. So those are the M45s in the back. Check out the front. Oh, well, I need to open the garage door, don't I? Here are the Q45s. Pretty crazy. Why has that one accumulated snow on the hood? That one has not. Maybe because that one's got wrap. No idea. It's pretty interesting. And the experiment, I want to drive this one. Drive it onto the street. Look at how the street looks like. Holy moly, it's pretty deep in here. Yeah, doing nice enough to, of course, plow the street. Throw the snow off to the side. Alright, let's check this out. Alright, swipe this down and see how well it drives. Two or three things I'd like to point out. So what I'm going to do is hit the rear defrost, which is going to get the rear glass. Not only that, the side mirrors are going to be heated, and you'll see that. I'm also going to get the front, and right now there's probably not enough heat in the engine. It's still cold over there, but it's going to help it keep moving. So do that. I usually do that and go back to scraping. Remember, gotta be safe and scrape your roof as well. Don't want this thing, the snow flying over on people behind you. All right, let's keep going. You can kind of see here, right? What's the snow turned into? It's already dripping because that's heated. Both sides are heated, by the way. How you doing, man? So my neighbor's gracious enough to try and help me. He's gonna blow the snow, but I'm gonna give this a try. I said I wanted to see how well I could do by myself. This was fun. All right, let's go. Well, wasn't much of a problem, was it? Oh, there you go. Oh, can move back forward. Alright, do it again. car's a beast in the snow, honestly. Look at that. Okay, I think I hit my spot. I'm stuck now. It's slipping, can you see that? Put it in lower gear. That's gonna help much. It's just slipping right now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use a snow blower. But it did well.
Flip, 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 flip